Hello again. So we are now going to look specifically at the implementation of your algorithm. So where to start with this? Let's start with command center here. So as I said, everything that is yellow is related to your algorithm. Actually, I should put all of this yellow because this is all related to your algorithm. I will do that. Okay, so this here, so okay, so the control center actually, because this is decentralized, the control center does not, of course, control anything in your algorithm, but we still need it to observe what's going on because we can't observe all 6 models at the same time. So what this does here is it will listen to the robots that are online. Of course, if they're not online, they can't listen to them. It will just put zeros. One fundamental difference from the theoretical version to the implementation is that we are always working with a 6x6 matrix. But when the agents are online, we are offline, we end up with rows and columns which are zeros. Mathematically, it comes down to the same thing, but it's slightly different in how some of the calculations need to be done. So yeah, so we receive when they're online, we receive all the data that they calculate, their position and stuff like that. But from their perspective, always from their perspective and not from, let's say, the motive perspective. So when their initial position is set, when we see here the initial position, it comes from motive, but this is really at the moment that the robot starts calculating and not at the moment that we give the instruction to start calculating. So it's a slight nuance, but it's an important nuance because it really changes the end result. So okay, so I think here, yeah, maybe this is important. So we record information here so that you can analyze them later. So we have here the W matrix, the XY position, XY reference, the initial position, and the theoretical target. Now, I explained this quickly in the other video, but the W matrix here, so what we're actually seeing, this 6x6 matrix, is a little bit of an illusion. So the way it's constructed is that the robots start calculating at a certain moment and they stream that information to the control center, and the control center makes that line appear. But the W matrix 6x6 doesn't really exist. It's actually a W matrix that is 6x6x6, or if you want to take off the 0 columns and rows, you have n by n by n, depending on the number of robots that you have. So this 6x6 matrix is actually as if we were flattening that 6x6x6 matrix, and so it gives slightly off results, but that approximation is due to that, because when the numbers are randomly initialized for the other robots, when they don't have the information from the other robots, it creates a discrepancy. So I hope that that was clear. If not, I'll be happy to explain. Anyways, that's my hypothesis. I haven't fully validated it, but it seems to make sense with how the system is constructed. So this is the XY position of all the other robots, the reference of all the other robots, but from their perspective, what they are calculating always. So yeah, so this will be saved in utilities here. And here you have all the files, the math files here. Yeah, that is, let's see, let me make position. Yep. So yes, I think that is good. Okay, so I'll keep this video short. And so this was for the control center. Now we're going to go into the agent, and that's where the meat is found. So see you soon.